Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain, is it healthy to eat fried chicken? Is it healthy to eat fried chicken? So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Many people like to eat fried chicken because fried chicken are very nice, but sometimes fried chicken may lead to different healthy problems. First of all, fried chicken will lead to increase in the level of cholesterol in your body. And when cholesterol level increases, cholesterol means that there will be a lot of fats or lipid in the body. So all those fats, all those cholesterol level, all those cholesterol in your body will be deposited in the blood vessel, hence leading to atherosclerosis. Okay, another bad thing of eating fried chicken is that fried chicken will lead to increase of weight. So you'll be increasing weight because fried chicken they contain high level of calories than unfried chicken. So when you consume them so much, the fried chicken, you mean that you'll be having high level of calories, so you'll be increasing weight. Another bad thing of eating fried chicken is that fried chicken will lead to the risk factor of diabetes type 2. As you know, as I've explained, that eating of fried chicken will lead to weight gain. So weight gain, they go hand in hand with diabetes type 2. So you'll be high risk of getting diabetes, and you'll be increasing thirst. There'll be symptoms like increasing frequency of urination, increasing thirst. Some people, they may also complicate, they may get different infections. So don't like consuming fried chicken so much. But also, consuming high level of fried chicken has been found that is increasing high risk of death, because calories and cholesterol level will be increasing the risk of getting heart diseases and blood vessel diseases. So all those complications will be increasing your chance of death. So those are some of the bad things of eating fried chicken. Although fried chicken are very nice, but fried chicken can cause those complications. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.